Hello, hope everyone's well. Welcome to my channel, Lavish and Blissful Living, as my channel is all about pretty places. So, I'm still wandering around in Tower Hill area. So, right now I am in the Trinity Square Garden. It's also called the Tower Hill Memorial, and it commemorates men and women of the merchant navy and fishing fleets who died in both world wars and who have no known graves. It's a very beautiful memorial garden. So, the memorial stands on the south side of the garden of Trinity Square, London, close to the Tower of London. So, these gardens were created by special act of Parliament in 1797 and restored in 2003. So, here it's written on the stone that this memorial was created in the memory of 24,000 men and women who died in the world wars with no known graves. So, their names are also engraved on the walls. So that's the stunning building of Four Seasons Hotel London, and here you can see some statues. I have felt this thing that when you see these names engraved on the walls, you become emotional, and I just can't stop thinking about these people and their families, what they have been through all these times. Today, this place is managed by the Corporation of London and the War Graves Commission. I just can't stop looking at this beautiful building of Four Seasons London. The architecture is amazing and so grand. Now I'm walking towards the famous London Bridge. Here you can see. I was just enjoying the views and lovely atmosphere. Here's a glimpse of the city. Now you're looking at the stunning River Thames view and the Belfast Navy ship as well. If you walk a bit further away, you will see this Hayes Galleria. Actually, it's a shopping area and there are lots of eating shops, restaurants and cafes as well. Here you will see a gorgeous decoration in a restaurant. So people are relaxing here, eating and drinking. Here you will see the Navigator. It's a 60-foot sculpture by artist David Camp. Was installed in 1987. Dear friends, if you're interested in beautiful reels and stories, kindly check out my Instagram and Facebook page, and the link is in the description box. Thank you so much. Here you will see the beautiful and the most unique designs of glass buildings. Some more river views to enjoy and cherish. If you like my content, please kindly subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. So, Tower Bridge is used by roughly 40,000 people every day. Former US President Bill Clinton once waited 20 minutes for a barge to sail underneath the bridge so he could cross the bridge. Thanks a lot for watching my vlog. See you next time. Take lots of care. Bye.